Curdy Bob's Tractor Repair.
Okay, starting to put the discs in. Obviously you've got the piston down in there, so you've got to have a plate first. Line up the notches. But before you can put all the discs in, you have to put this part in here, the drive part. This washer goes right here. I'll show you here. It actually goes up inside here and sets down right in there, and then this little needle bearing rides right there. If you want to see something here, I want to show you on the end of this drum, that is tapered. It's got a lip to it. So you can't put all the discs in and then try to stick this piece down in there. You have to put this in first and then drop your discs in. I'm not gonna drop that down in yet because I usually like to soak these in some hydraulic oil first. So we're gonna soak them in hydraulic oil and then put all of them in, discs in, plates, and then you got the snap ring, the big snap ring that goes there, and then that is ready to go back into the tractor.